I used to wonder if it was really possible to train your brain to help you make more money. People ask me that all the time. And the truth is, yes, it's absolutely possible. In fact, I'll tell you how it happened for me. It all began when I started getting serious about the kind of life I wanted to live. Not just dreams or vague hopes, but real, tangible goals. I imagined what my days would look like, how I'd feel, where I'd live, and what kind of freedom I'd have. That vision became my target. There was a man who changed the way I thought about all this. My mentor, Walter Schneider, a brilliant, successful businessman. He told me something that stuck with me forever. He said, "You can't hit a target you can't see." Clarity, he insisted, was everything. If I wanted to hit a financial goal, say earning $100,000 a year, I had to break that down. That's about $8,500 a month, or roughly $2,150 a week. Not so overwhelming when you look at it like that, but I wasn't making that at the time. I was far from it. Still, Walter said, it didn't matter. What mattered was how I trained my mind to believe it was possible. He introduced me to a simple practice. He told me to write out a clear, present tense affirmation. Something like, "I'm so happy and grateful now that I'm earning $10,000 a month." That was it. Straightforward, powerful. Every morning, without fail, I'd repeat it 5 to 10 times. I'd do the same before going to bed. But it wasn't just about repeating words. As I said it, I'd close my eyes and imagine the moment that money arrived. Not just see it, feel it, a direct deposit hitting my account, a check in my hand. I'd picture the numbers growing in my bank balance, and I'd let myself feel the relief, the excitement, the pride. That was the real training. Not just thinking about money, but living in the reality of already having it. And the craziest thing? The more I practiced it, the more real it started to feel. My decisions started to shift. My actions lined up with the belief that I could actually be that person earning that income. And little by little, things began to change. The amount doesn't matter. You can choose any figure you want. The key is to make it real in your mind first. So real that your brain starts to believe it's already yours. That's when everything starts to move. Imagine waking up every single day with the unwavering belief that you're already living your dream life. Not just thinking about it, truly feeling it, seeing it in every detail as if it's already yours. Picture the way your mornings would begin if you were earning $10,000 every month. What would change? How would you walk, talk, think, love, give? Now close your eyes and dive into that vision. See your family smiling because life just got easier. Your parents no longer worry about bills. Your children grow up watching someone chase and catch their dreams. Your friends see the shift in you and start believing in their own possibilities. The community around you starts to feel your ripple effect. The charities that once struggled now thrive, all because you stepped into your power. You're not just visualizing a number in your bank account. You're directing a movie where you're the lead role, living a life of freedom, abundance, and purpose. And every time you say, "I am so happy and grateful now that I earn $10,000 a month," you're not just reciting words. You're breathing life into your future. You're tricking your brain in the best way possible to believe this is real now. And that changes everything. Because your brain doesn't know the difference between something vividly imagined and something actually experienced. When you rehearse success mentally, morning after you wake up, and again before you drift off at night, you're building neurological highways to your dream life. You're activating that powerful part of your brain, the genius level thinker, the Einstein within, that starts working in the background, connecting the dots, seeing the opportunities, figuring out the how. But don't stop there. Take it a step further. Create your world visually. Find images that reflect this new life. Cars, homes, vacations, the people you'll help, the causes you'll support. Pin them to a vision board or a digital screen. Let those images speak to you. Let them remind you daily of the life you are designing, not someday. Now, and as you move through your day, ask yourself one simple but powerful question. What can I do today to bring that life closer? It doesn't have to be huge. One step, one call, one small risk, every single day. Those actions, no matter how small, begin to stack up like bricks, building the foundation of your new life. So combine your vision with action. Fuel your belief with repetition. Align your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors with the person you're becoming. This isn't just a dream, it's a decision. And every day you show up for that dream, you're not chasing it, you're living it.